EMSs, and Dad, this is a steering mower, is it, Dad?
Looks like it, mate.
Yeah, it says 0 to it.
Okay. You got a catcher at the back.
Yeah. There's the catcher. So this is where the 0 to and loads all the brass into the back.
Okay, nice, mate. Do you need anything else to finish it?
No,
Where's your hat?
don't need it.
Okay. Suppose you are inside.
Huh?
You are inside, aren't you?
Yeah.
Right, start her up.
Right. Gotta start this up.
Do it. Turn the key.
Boot. Boot, boot. Can you hear the 0 tune there?
I can. It's pretty quiet.
Beep, 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 beep.
Is this your lawnmower business, is it? Got your seatbelt on there?
Yeah, got a seatbelt on.
Yep. Nice. Got your catcher on the back.
I'm finished.
Good job. Looks very good.
See